Do you know, according to WHO data, almost 20% population worldwide suffering from diabetes, and the number is increasing day by day. Diabetes is the last stage of any health problem from teenage to youngster. Almost 1/3 people currently found in India are diabetic. Almost 10 to 13% women suffering from PCOS and PCOD, and 13.5% population feel tired, exhausted, and has sleep issues worldwide. That leads to health issues further. Isn't it scary? I feel so scary after hearing this. Hi, I am Nitin Raghav, health and fitness coach, worked with more than 2000 people globally in my 7 years of career. Still, I am working to help more and more people so that they can achieve their health goals in very easiest way. आज के टाइम में टेक्नोलॉजी बहुत वास्ट हो गई है, कंफर्ट लेवल बहुत आ गया है एंड कंपटीशन बहुत बढ़ गया है इन एवरी फील्ड। तो हम चाहते हैं टू बिल्ड अवर करियर एंड अचीव अवर गोल, बट हम यहाँ पे लैग कहाँ पे कर रहे हैं? हम भूल जाते हैं ये सब अचीव करने के लिए हमारे मैकेनिज्म को बहुत बेटर तरीके से काम करना पड़ेगा, एंड दैट मैकेनिज्म इज आवर बॉडी। आफ्टर रिसर्चिंग अ लॉट एंड रीड मैनी थ्योरीज ऑन हेल्थ एंड फिटनेस, मैंने निकाला है एक फॉर्मूला जिससे ना तो आपका वर्क लाइफ पैम्पर होगा, इनफैक्ट अपनी स्टडी, जॉब, बिजनेस के साथ साथ यू कैन टेक केयर ऑफ योर बॉडी एंड फिटनेस एज वेल।
Transform your body, transform your life. We all have heard about this once in a lifetime. Not only that, we also implemented on this. But what comes in between that? So many factors: affordability, availability, work life, etc., etc. But by keeping all those factors in mind, we have come up with a formula that not only help you in your fitness journey, but will also help you in your mental and physical toughness too. Isn't it so great?
Because our agenda is not only to enhance our physical strength, the approach we follow is for physical as well as mental toughness too. Our theory is fit nation, that is all. We all know summers आ चुकी हैं, कौन नहीं चाहता अपने मसल्स बनाना, एब्स बनाना, गोवा के वेकेशन पे जाना, शर्टलेस होके फोटोज क्लिक कराना एंड अपनी सेक्सी फिजिक दिखाना, right? So that you will achieve in a period of time with this 3-step realistic approach I discovered, with no fancy diets, no fad diets, and easy and flexible approach for all of you. Now let's talk about whose goal is to stay fit and stay healthy. Now fitness doesn't mean abs or lean body. It means your internal strength and the quality and quantity of the work you are able to put without any efforts. Not only this, we have a community of people who are dealing with some serious medical and health problems. They take some time to achieve that level and recover from their medical condition. But does that really mean that they are not fit? In fact, I would say they are more stronger and beautiful than everyone else.
So let me tell you one thing, this is not easy when you work without a mentor. However, with us and our team and our magical formula that we formed, we make sure that we will make it easier for you. So what we do, all that can take place in a way when you get someone who understand your work schedule, eating schedule, goals, past social gatherings, food preferences, fitness goals, and after considering all, this give you an easiest and approachable method to get your goals. So what are you waiting for? Get this magical formula to achieve your health and fitness goals with us and with Nitin on the one-on-one session with filling up the form link below.
So what are you waiting for? Get this formula to achieve your health and fitness goal with me on one-on-one session just with filling this form below. And trust me guys, this journey gonna be very easy because I am here for you.
We recently launched this digital fitness guide specifically for corporate people to help you to achieve your goals. So what are you waiting for? If you are ready to take your next step, click on the link below. I have already attached the freebie guide over here, and see you there on one-on-one session. Thank you.